Do you have black spots on your face or on your legs? Then this is the perfect home remedy to get rid of those spots. Welcome to Zara Beauty Recipe. If you want to keep getting latest beauty tips on how to look very beautiful, please click on the red subscribe button you can see just beside this video. Now going forward, if you want to get rid of the black spots on your face and on your legs, first, here we have our aloe vera gel and also honey. Pure organic honey. Then I'm going to put the honey into the aloe vera gel. This is honey and aloe vera gel. They all have healing properties that can help fade away all the black spots on your face and your legs within a very short time. And finally, we're going to add the last ingredients to this special black spots remedy. Here I have my lemon. I'll squeeze out some lemon juice from just half of this lemon. I'll squeeze half of the lemon to get the juice from it. I have a spoon of lemon juice. This lemon juice you're seeing is a spoon. I'm going to add to the mixture lemon juice to do the magic, and then mix very well thoroughly. At the end of it all, it's going to look like this. Please click on the red subscribe button so that you keep getting the latest videos on beauty and hair care tips from us. As to how to use this special black spot remover, you wash the area very well that has the black spots, be it on your face or your legs. Then apply it on the area and massage it for about 5 minutes. Then allow it to stay for about 2 to 3 hours. You're advised to do this in the morning and in the evening before you go to sleep every day. And within a very short time, all the black spots will disappear and your skin will be bright and it will also be glowing. Please don't forget to click on the red subscribe button for the latest videos on beauty and hair care tips to make you look beautiful. And also follow our Facebook pages at Zara Beauty Recipe or at Zara Niger. You can also just scroll down and watch our other hair care and beauty tips videos and also ask us any question. Thank you.